Claudia.
I'm Cassandra.
And today we're doing
Oh My Girl, Windy.
Day. Windy Day.
Windy Day.
Windy Day. Okay. I like the flower. I like the beat.
It's okay.
Windy Day.
I think that's you off.
멀리서 날리는 바람이 일어 불어와 내게 흘러 진짜로 소중한 것은
It looks like Oh My Girl's poster concept. 유아!
부드러운 조건 사랑인 걸까 내게 온 걸까 내 맘이 하루 종일 한동안 싱숭생숭하더니 이러려고 그랬던 건 나의 마음 한쪽에 웅크렸던 감정이 깊은 잠에서 깨어났어 너를 생각하면 흔들리는 나무들과 너를 볼 때마다 돌아가는 바람들이
Red dress again.
너를 많이 좋아한다는 걸 어쩔 수가 없어
Here.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Well, I'm
It's a
tree.
really windy day, actually. Things only gonna get windy between of course. She cut her hair. Yeah. Mimi. Oh, I saw these stickers. Like, they're just posters. What is she wearing on her shoe? Is that a flower?
Okay. Why'd you open the box? Goes inside out.
I'm just here.
Good. Okay, go, go. We're ready. Let's go. Do the flower.
Pay my college tuition if you run me over. I'm cute. Kind of like beat this part. Kind of sounds like a folklore like music. Windy day. Oh, I like how the W is like antlers. So yeah.
I did not expect that.
I know this is a packaged album. I'm probably gonna get it,
I'm probably gonna get it. I didn't get the other one.
but I have like almost all of theirs except for the first one, and I'm working my way to get that one. If I have money and I see it in the store when I have money, I'm going to get this one. I hope there's more than one song in this repackage, like a new song.
New song.
But Windy Day wasn't that bad. I liked how, like, the music video, like, you don't really see, like, idols with, like, wind in their hair and, like, them showing their big forehead and everything. I really liked that. But, like,
It's different.
yeah. I liked it.
I think I have to get into it.
Did
was
you
okay.
see? Did she cut her hair? She cut her hair.
Who?
I don't know what her name is. I just thought she cut her hair.
They all have long hair.
I know, like, Yua, Mimi, Beanie, Sihyun. I don't know how to pronounce their names properly. That's pretty much all I know. I don't really know the rest of their names. There's, like, a lot with, like, Y's on it.
I know Mimi. That's who easy to remember.
Beanie's, like, my favorite. She has, like, short hair, black hair. Yeah. Okay. Bye!
So you think I kind of like you? Think you can get me? I think so. Take a look at
She's a friend.
Liar!